uSibanyoni nababili aboshwe nabo ngomsombuluko basolwa ngokuphoqa usomabhizinisi osemkhakheni wezimayini eKwaggafontein ukuba abakhokhele imali eyizigidi ezimbili zamarandi ukuze-ke angaphazamiseki kulo msebenzi wakhe wezemayini. Khathi liqala icala kube nokuphikisana ngokulalelwa kwesicelo se-bail njengoba umbuso uphikisana naso. Imantshi uDavid Erasmus idalule ukuthi ithole ucingo lwemantshi yalenkantolo iveza ukuthi angeke ikwazi ukuzophatha leli cala kepha ayangadalula izathu zalokhu. Lokhu-ke kuholele ekutheni inhloko yezimantshi eMpumalanga icele yena u-Erasmus ukuba asingathe leli cala kepha yona le nhloko iphinde yaveza ukuthi izoliphatha leli cala ngoLwesihlanu.
The real issue here was the mere fact that another judicial officer had been appointed to preside over the matter. That is the real issue. That's why the matter was really postponed, for no other reason. Of course, you cannot expect the state, you expect the state to have investigated the matter for such a long time, to come to court ready to proceed with the bail application.
Kepha kunongabazane ngokulungela kwemantshi entsha leli cala.
I cannot foresee a scenario where the magistrate who had requested that the matter be assigned to her for hearing remotely suggests that she is not ready to preside over the matter. All she has is a charge sheet, and she receives our affidavits, and whether formal evidence will be led is another story.
U-Abrahams ukholwa ukuthi lintekenteke icala lombuso futhi leli cala lakhiwe nje ukuthi icilela phansi igama lekhasimende lakhe elingusomabhizinisi ohlonishwayo.
We have a strong case. We believe the state's case is absolutely weak to non-existent. There was a business relationship that was in place between our client and the complainant in this matter. In fact, our client saw the complainant 2 weeks ago at a funeral. So there's no threat to anybody. Nobody's intimidated. There was a business transaction that ran for a period of 3 years.
Amaphoyisa azingela umsolwa wesine okholakala ukuthi naye ungosomatekisi wasePitoli.
We've been communicating with him that we are looking for him. We just hope he will hand himself over to the police.
Abasolwa bazogcinwa esitokisini samaphoyisa ase-Middleburg.